The legacy courses at Cragun's was built in 1998. We started construction on the first 18 holes. In the following years, 99 and 2001, we started the next two nines for a total of 36 holes, and we got a par 3 course to make a complex of 45 holes.
Cragun's is a 36-hole existing property. We're going to renovate all 36 holes, and we're actually constructing a new layman 9. We'll renovate part of the 9 holes and make it a layman 18 with similar style bunkers. On the rest of the course, we have a different style bunker, and a renovation we have next year, we'll have a third style of bunker. So we'll have 3 golf courses out here when it's all said and done.
The renovation has been going very well. It's obviously a 2 to 3 year project currently. We've gotten a lot of holes done this year. We are not 100% complete with every one of the holes, but we got a big portion of the golf course taken care of. Bunker maintenance for the remodel of the golf course and the new golf course was a big decision as far as how much maintenance we can do. Obviously, we're going with the best sand, Porous Pave Sand Guard, and that's going to hopefully reduce down the amount of bunker maintenance we do have. Typically, if we get a 1-inch rain any night, doesn't matter if it's a 2-hour 1-inch rain or a 10-minute, most of our bunkers wash out. So currently we're a lot of maintenance just to fix bunkers on a daily basis. Sand Guard is a very permeable product, very flexible. Adheres very well to the bunkers and the edges and the faces. We
tested some of the other products and they actually cracked and shifted in the winter. The freeze thaw, and some heaving went on, and we want to make sure it stays white. So that was the main reason for lining the bunkers. And we also had a maintenance issue where in a rainstorm the sand would wash off the faces. This product, we can get a 2-inch rain and that sand is still there on these faces. The big selling feature for us, it actually moves with the ground and we don't have to worry about any cracking or heaving or just failing from that aspect. The installation's great because we can do everything right on site at the bunker. We don't have to haul it in from the parking lot or everything. We can do all the mixing right here on site, limit a lot of damage on the existing courses. Renovation, and yeah, it's gone really well so far. It's been great working with Porous Pave. I mean, they're there but when I need them. They've answered every phone call right away. The materials showed up on time. The relationship's been great.
Here at the Legacy Course at Cragun's, we are concerned about the environment. So using recycled tires, keeping them out of the landfill is important to us. And when you combine the recycled tires with the aggregate and the binder to make one great product that will help maintain our bunkers or keep our bunkers looking awesome, is very important to us. This renovation and new construction project has now obviously turned into a very big project, which has involved a lot more than just the bunker project. So we're exceeding a lot of my expectations of what we wanted this golf course to turn into, and it's going to be exciting when it's finished.